Alright, let's make a quesadilla, and this quesadilla sauce will take it to the next level. So you're going to start off with about 2 tablespoons of mayo, then you're going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, cumin, and oregano, and about 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. You're going to mix it up, and then if you want to add more of any spice or a pinch of salt, feel free. Taste and adjust your sauce until you get it just how you like it. So you got your pan preheated, and you're going to add a little bit of oil. Because I'm using venison is very lean, it won't put off much fat. And then I'm going to break it down, start to brown it up, season it with just salt and pepper, very simply. And then I'm going to cook that all the way through. Now of course beef would work very well, or pork, or whatever you got. So pan's a little bit dry, so I'm going to add some butter in. Put my tortilla down, then layer that with cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put my meat in, and then I'm going to top it with that quesadilla sauce that I made. There you go. Don't be stingy. Put a little bit more cheese on. I should put a little bit more around the edges, keep it together, but it's okay. Flip it after a couple minutes. You can leave it in a little bit longer, get a little bit crispy. Do the same thing on the other side, and then pull out on time before it's too late, and serve it up. Enjoy.